So you must be thinking, am I even on the right channel right now? Yes, you are. Discovered this trail yesterday. The bike is running quite well right now. She's got a new spark plug in it. I put in a new air filter, and most of all, what I was looking forward to from the whole package was the new shift lever. It's helping so much. I feel like I'm no longer losing track of what gear I'm in. The previous one was very loose. This one doesn't have a linkage, so much more direct. It's right on the bolt now. I bumped into the other bikers and they didn't wave at me. I don't know why I still think of that. I remember the people that don't wave more than the people that do wave. I'm not sure what the rest of the community's opinion is on it, but I enjoy waving at other people. Whoa, big whoops here. Oh, hard on the brakes. Whoa. That was pretty impressive. I am surprised I didn't go flying over the handlebars there. Whoa. Let's relax for a bit here. That was me trying to find neutral. That was a big improvement compared to, I would say so. there is somewhere else we can explore. 3-point turn here. You're watching an unlicensed driver here, so I don't mind whatever I receive in the comments. Alright, should we try burnout? Whoa, look at that. Okay. Whoa. That was not correct. Almost wheelied my ass off. We'll get there soon. I'm getting comfortable with the boots. New shift lever. New components. New internals. New gear for when I fall. Alright, let's quietly make our way across. Enjoyed this ride along.